This video shows you how to install the LEGO Digital Designer on a Windows machine. First, you have to make sure you have enough disk space on C drive. Click the properties of the C drive to verify the free spaces. We need about 500 megabytes for downloading and 1 to 2 gigabytes for installation. And then we go to the LEGO Digital Designer website to download the software. Just click the download, LEGO Digital Designer 4.3. And select the Windows version. Just continue. And you see the download started. Take a couple of seconds. Once downloaded, just click open, and the installation will start. Choose the written language. Just go to next and agree the license. Verify everything selected. Go to next. And also accept the default installation directory. Go to next. And then we will start the installation. Take a couple of minutes. Once it's started, check the launch button and it will automatically launch the LEGO Digital Designer. As you see, the 3 tabs to design different types of LEGO sets. For us, let's choose Mindstorms, which is the different templates. And then let's create some new model. And then on the left side, you'll see available parts for you to choose from. Choose the different category. Here we see the bins, all the bins. Pick some and place it on the designer. And then scroll down, you can add some tags in the connector category. And you can rotate it and put the tags into the bin and select more. Just play around and then you can save your project. To get more familiar with the software, you can click the Help menu and select F1 Help, and then you will get the online instructions for different operations. It's a pretty simple one, but in order to get used to the usage, you need to take quite some time to practice. Then that's it. Thank you for watching.